kijing tip bat gi khobor gi baman la kasni naw khwasi kai channel siang bha subscribe naw manta bitar bat ther tang kan thei kuki yaw chief minister ka jala manipur u biren singh halor ka jing bomler kam jong o bat kum jo ro ya ka sarkar manipur halor ka jing bomler kam bat kan tho ro ta ka bong ba u chief minister ka jala manipur u biren singh u long chief minister om nak menta ka jala manipur bat nak menta ki jai mriu ki bodon po ka jala manipur henry ulong chief minister tang nak menta ka jai mriu lejong bat kata ka dei ka jai mriu mai tai namar kat kene ki jing sha le ben ki jai mriu kuki ha ki jai mriu mai tai nakaliang jong chief minister u badai menteri perang ba du ka jala manipur u khlem la ban le ai halor kane ka pau shai ba u chief minister u biren singh u yada tang nak menta ki jai mriu lejong kat ba ya ki jai mriu kuki pat uklem le ai namar mentala arpanai ke jingji ai kan at jai mriu pok ke jalam manipur hanrei nakaliang jong chief minister umpat la ai halor kene ke jingjia hapok ke jalam manipur bat shu kene ke kan thairo kala ther tang ya u prime minister gam kari india u Narendra modi halor ke jing sngap manthi jong u halor ke jingjia hapok ke jalam manipur dak boong ro ba la arpanai kan thi ke jingjia ai kan at jai mriu hapok ke jalam manipur hanrei u prime minister jonggari india uklem kren ai idai ginong india ngidai ginong shongshnong bapura jonggari india nginya kon bat yadai la ka jong ka hong hadu ka sngi ka jingyap ong ka kan thai kuki.
I left everything behind and I came here. I never thought in my life that a day would come when I have to carry my own gun, my licensed gun. But day has come, and day such as this has come. I, as a woman, I have to carry my own licensed gun to protect what belongs to us. And I just want to say that the Chief Minister of Manipur, he is not even the Chief Minister of Manipur. He is Chief Minister only of his community, and that is the dominant community, the mighty community. He is not the Chief Minister of the Kuki. He could have easily contained it in a much acceptable way, but he chose to stay silent. And he chose to stay silent even to this day. Today, something which the government of Manipur should be ashamed. And I wouldn't even call him the Chief Minister. He is rather a dictator. He is, I would say, he is the worst dictator that we have seen in our generation. People, we have something called ethics in war. We never touch women, we never touch children, and we never touch elderly people. And this is something we call ethics in war. As a Kuki, I can never go back to the valley. And this is the reason why we're asking for separate administration. It's not because we wanted to, this is the need of the hour. The central should respond. I am shocked that the Prime Minister of India has chose to stay silent even to this day. I am an Indian. I am a proud Indian, and I will be Indian till I die. And this is something that we are seeking national intervention because the level of discrimination that we are faced. I'll show you one thing. I brought my mobile phone. There is no network. This is our reality. There is no network. Even if they come and torch down our village, even if they come and burn down our village, I cannot even call helpline number 112. And this is our reality. Such a sad reality that we are in. Our villages, our houses, our family can be burned down, and all we have to do is just look. No, अगर कोई आकर आपका घर, आपका परिवार, आपका बस्ती जलाने से आप ऐसा तो नहीं देखेगा, है कि नहीं? Whatever you can do, you will do, and this is what we are doing. We are village volunteer, and we will defend it till our last breath.